Bonjour tout le monde. This is a remote learning initiative by Shet Vidya Mandir High School Vasai. Myself Shikta Pethe. This is a continuation of chapter number 5 for class 6, La Chambre d'Ella part 3. So let's begin. Now moving on to the exercises, choisissez les bonnes réponses. Choose the correct answer. Now from this all options you have to choose the proper answer. For that you have to know the conjugation of the verb avoir, that is j'ai, tu as, il a, elle a, nous avons, vous avez, ils ont, elles ont. Okay, now according to the tu it is a, so your answer is tu as un chien. Next, vous avez une règle means you have a ruler. Ils ont des papiers, they have some papers. J'ai une lampe, so the option here is 2, that is AI. I have a lamp. Nous avons un grand lit. We have a big bed. So the answer here is AVONS. Now mettez le, la, l apostrophe ou les. Now these are all definite articles. That is the. So since it is école starting with a vowel, so you have to put the l apostrophe. L'école, le garçon, l'oiseau. Again the same thing, the word is starting with a vowel, so it has to be l apostrophe. La fille, les cassettes, le livre, la fiche, again l apostrophe starting with a vowel. Les portes, le lit, la chambre. Now remplissez les blancs avec la bonne conjugation d'être ou d'avoir. Now here you have to know whether you are going to make use of être or avoir. So the answer is je suis une fille, I am a girl. J'ai une robe, I have a dress. Paul a trois livres means Paul has 3 books. Ils sont petits, they are small. Elle est étudiante, she is girl. Elle a une trousse means she has a pouch. Nous sommes grands means we are tall. Nous avons une grande chambre, we have a big room or bedroom. Ils ont deux voitures, they have 2 cars. Les voitures sont mauvaises, the cars are mauvaises means bad. Got it? Now relier les colonnes here. According to 51 it is 51. Second 62 was on the. 80 is 80. 91 is 91, that is 80 plus 11. 76 is soixante, that is 60 plus 16. Remplissez les blancs comme dans exemple. Fill in the blanks according to the example. Il a une fleur, c'est la fleur de Robert. Now whenever you are saying nothing to like direct something or nothing to emphasize, nothing to say describe anything, so that time you are going to make use of the indefinite articles, and when you are saying something specific about the same object, that time you are going to make use of the article le, la, les, that is the definite article. Now nous avons des robes, we have some dress, we are not specifying something about that. Now here ce sont les robes de Marie means these are the dress of Marie. Now we are saying something about the dresses, so that time we are very much particular, we are definite, so that we are going to make use of the definite article, that is les, because robe is plural. Tu as une voiture, you have a car. C'est la voiture de Miriam. Now you have a car, nothing to say about that, but when you are describing something about that, now this is the car of Miriam, so that time you are going to make use of the definite article. J'ai un bobo, I have a sweet. C'est le bobo de Mohit means this is the chocolate or the sweet of Mohit. Vous avez des livres, you have some books. Ce sont les livres de Paul, these are the books of Paul. So students, I hope you got when to make use of the indefinite and the definite articles. Répondez aux questions suivantes. Answer the following questions. Combien de cahiers as-tu? Now, how many books have you? J'ai trois cahiers. Cahier is the notebook. Okay. Combien de crayons as-tu? Crayon is pencil. J'ai 5 crayons. You can write any number. J'ai 100 crayons. I have 100 pencils. Nommer les objets de votre chambre means you are going to write the names of the objects that are in your room or in your bedroom. So I have written, since there is a very short space over here, I have just mentioned a lit, une lampe, etc. You can mention une armoire. Okay, so what all objects you all have in your room, you can mention it. Votre chambre est grande. Now if your room is big, you can mention it yes, oui. If it's no, write it no.